1, 2, 3, aloha! Gonna go do the pearl factory where you get a little pearl from an oyster. So that's exciting. Walk around this cute little like town kind of thing. Did we pick the oyster too?
Yes.
Ooh, which one should we pick? This one. We're just gonna do a little ceremony here to thank your oyster and welcome your pearl. So we'll tap 3 times together on your shell and then say aloha. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, aloha! Nice.
Yay!
I'll take this for you. Thank you. Let's see what's in this guy. So this oyster spent about 5 years to make the pearl. Once a year old, we put a piece of shell in the body. The oyster coats that to make the pearl. Your pearl's peeking through here. Couldn't wait to show off.
Oh, so
that is
pretty.
beautiful. That is a nice pink pearl, and it has such a high shine to it.
It's so pretty.
Oh, this side is so beautiful with the luster there. Yay! Oh, it's very, very
I don't know if I've ever got a
nice.
pink one before.
I know that pink is for beauty, so very appropriate.
Oh, thank you.
Wow. How long have you guys been together?
Almost 5 years.
Nice.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Aloha. Yeah.
Yay.
Take this for you. Thank you. Let's see what she got. Beautiful shell there. Nice colors. Oh, nice.
That one looks big.
Oh, it's beautiful.
So pretty.
A little bit more gold and green color.
Good job.
Very beautiful.
Hello. So we just got my pearl. Well, we got 2 pearls and we made one into a ring, which is so pretty. And I'm gonna give the other pearl to my mom for her birthday, and we might go back and get like a little necklace thingy for her too, so she can actually wear it. Probably is a good idea, because otherwise it's like, here you go, here's the pearl. That guy's jamming.
It's a really good sound system.
Yeah. Life is better in a bikini.
Can confirm.
Yeah, can confirm. Want to get a tattoo?
No.
So we're gonna go get some shaved ice now. Best in the world, and honestly, yeah, it's like really good. It's like super soft. Doesn't really melt that fast. Yeah, it's right there. Sitting on this cute little, I don't know, this beach wall, eating our shaved ice. We got banana, blue raspberry, and bubble gum. everybody, we're at the beach. It's our last day in Hawaii. So we're playing some frisbee, taking pictures, swim, and it's a good time. So yeah, I'll show you some footage of that now.
Like when you're sitting there, you can
Oh yeah. I use whale. Aloha everybody. We are doing last day stuff. We're gonna go and get some coffee and macadamia nuts for the family because that's all you need when you go to Hawaii. And then we're gonna go out for dinner. We might get another pearl. I'm gonna buy my mom something for her birthday. I mean, I already bought you something, not on the last day. Just kidding. Ha, ha, Mom. Hi. We're looking kind of cute because we're gonna go out for a nice dinner, which we haven't done yet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Bye. Hey, what's up you guys? So we went to the grocery store, got what we needed to, and then I put some makeup on for the first time on the trip, and this is our last night, so good thing I packed it. Cars! Vroom! So now we're going to head to the little village, get some stuff, get some food, and yeah, see you down there. Hello, good morning. Is it still the morning? I think it is. It's not 12 yet. It's our last day in Hawaii. I mean, I said that yesterday, but like we're leaving tonight on the airplane. We're gonna go get my mom's pearl necklace cleaned for free at the Pearl Factory and maybe get a shaved ice, and then we have to go hang out in Starbucks for a couple hours and then get an Uber and then hang out in the airport for a couple hours and then we go.
A lot of hanging out.
A lot of hanging out because our flight's not till like
9:30.
9:30 tonight, and we have to check out at 2 o'clock. Be back at the shaved ice place. Last shaved ice of the tree. Oh yeah. It's cotton candy.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Sweet.
It's been so swell, the shaved ice drink. I'll miss you. Hey again. So we're sitting outside of our room because we left the room to go and get the pearl cleaned and get a shaved ice, and we're supposed to have late checkout until 2, and we came back to our door and now the door, our code isn't working anymore. and we don't have a code to open it, and we have called our host and like building manager like 5 times. No one's answering. So this is great, and it's really hot outside, literally sweating, and all of our stuff is inside. Keenan's phone is inside. So yeah, this isn't great. Okay, we got back in the room. The Airbnb lady called us and gave us a new code. Woo! But yeah, we were out there for like 10 or 15 minutes just like sweating our faces off, panicking. So that was fun. Great. Awesome. But we're back now, so that's good. And we're gonna get ready to leave, and yeah. Goodbye, room. Thanks for being a room.
Pretty much.
Shout out to the TV and the air conditioner, the microwave, and the oven and the fridge for working.
And the stove.
And the stove.
The stove worked well.
Coffee pot worked too.
It did. We didn't have coffee.
Not team players were the Wi-Fi and the dishwasher and sometimes the door locking us out.
Yes.
A lot of things worked, but like everything should work, you know? But anyways, peace out, room. Aloha. Time to go hang out in a Starbucks for several hours and then an airport for several hours. Woohoo!
Woo!
Woo! Can I get a hell yeah?
Probably not.
Yeah. Okay, fair. Bye! Hey humans! Thank you so much for watching, and if you made it all the way to the end, then I love you 3000. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and comment down below where you'd like to see me travel to next. Starting now, I will be trying my very best to upload more than 1 video per week, so make sure you are subscribed and have your post notifications on so that you never miss one of my uploads. I'll see you next week, bye!